In this video, I'm making this simple PVC crossbow. It's got a wood trigger and only costs like $10 to make. All you need is a piece of PVC, a couple fiberglass rods, some wood, and some paracord. I'll start by making a 2.5-inch rip cut on a 48-inch piece of plywood. Then I'll rip cut a piece of MDF to 2 inches. Then I cross cut the plywood strip into two 24-inch pieces. I'll also make one 20-inch strip of MDF. They'll fit together like this, leaving 4 inches of space in the back for the trigger system. I'll make a rough sketch of the two trigger system pieces. I cut these out using my bandsaw, although a jigsaw would work just as well. The two pieces work together like this and pivot on two nails. Make sure the holes are loose enough for the nail to go through. You should leave an 1/8-inch gap on top as the rail. Then I'll attach the three pieces together using a nail head at the bottom as a spacer. Then I can make the holes for the trigger system. Make sure not to drill all the way through though so the nail has something to grip onto. As you can see, the trigger doesn't stick out the bottom, so I made a new piece that was longer. Now that the trigger's done, I can drill a hole for the PVC. I cut the PVC to 48 inches and make two angled notches on each side for the string. These $2 driveway markers are made of fiberglass. If you didn't know, fiberglass is the material used for modern crossbow limbs. A crossbow gets its power from how quickly and strongly the limbs return to their original place. Fiberglass is extremely strong and also very springy, so by putting fiberglass into PVC pipe, you've made the limbs a lot more powerful. Here's the knot that I'm using. It's really simple and makes itself stronger by pulling on itself. At this point it's complete, and the rest of the video I'm just shooting it.